Hi all, I am Bhavya Menon from Department of Electronics, MES College, Marampalli.
Introduction to Internet of Things. We all know IoT stands for Internet of Things. It refers to the interconnectedness of physical devices such as appliances and vehicles that are embedded with software, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. This technology allows for the collection and sharing of data from a vast network of devices, creating opportunities for more efficient and automated systems. We can define Internet of Things as follows. Internet of Things is the networking of physical objects that contain electronics embedded within their architecture in order to communicate and sense interactions amongst each other or with respect to the external environment. In the upcoming years, IoT based technology will offer advanced levels of services and practically change the way people lead their daily lives. Advancement in medicines, powers, gene therapies, agriculture, smart cities, and smart homes are just a few of the categorical examples where IoT is strongly established. IoT is a system of interrelated things, computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers, and the ability to transfer the data over a network requiring human to human or human to computer interactions. Now, what are the characteristics of IoT? The following defines the characteristics of IoT. They are massively scalable and efficient. IP based addressing will no longer be suitable in the upcoming future. An abundance of physical objects is present that do not use IP, so IoT is made possible. Devices typically consume less power. When not in use, they should be automatically programmed to sleep mode. A device that is connected to another device right now may not be connected in another instant of time. Intermittent connectivity. IoT devices aren't always connected. In order to save bandwidth and battery consumption, devices will be powered off periodically when not in use. Otherwise, connections might turn unreliable and thus prove to be inefficient. And this shows the picture how an IoT is connected. IoT is connected with different sensors. There are a lot of interfaces. Users are the microcontrollers, actuators, environment, okay, and web applications. And this is how an IoT is normally shown. That's a connection of various interfaces, actuators, sensors, etc. And this is how normal IoT system is shown. History of IoT. In 1982, the first glimpse of IoT was a vending machine. That is, the first glimpse of IoT emerged as a vending machine that Carnegie Mellon University was connected to the internet to report its inventory and status, paving the way for remote monitoring. In 1990, the next one comes toaster. Early IoT innovations saw a toaster connected to the internet, allowing users to control it remotely, foreshadowing the convenience of smart home devices. In 1999, IoT coined. Kevin Ashton coined the term Internet of Things to describe the interconnected network of devices communicating and sharing data, laying the foundation for a new era of connectivity. 2000 LG Smart Fridge. The LG Smart Fridge marked a breakthrough, enabling users to check and manage refrigerator contents remotely, showcasing the potential of IoT in daily life. In 2004, smartwatch. The advent of smartwatch introduced IoT to wearable technology, offering fitness tracking and notification on the go. 2007 Smart iPhone. Apple's iPhone became a game changer, integrating IoT capabilities with apps that connected users to a myriad of services and devices, transforming smartphones into hubs. In 2009, car testing. IoT entered the automotive industry, enhancing vehicles with sensors for real time diagnostics, performance monitoring, and remote testing. 2011 becomes the smart TV. The introduction of smart TVs brought IoT to the living room, enabling internet connectivity for streaming, app usage, and interactive content. 2013 Google Lens. Google Lens showcased IoT's potential in image recognition, allowing smartphones to provide information about objects in the physical world. 2014 Echo. Amazon's Echo, equipped with virtual assistant Alexa, demonstrated the power of voice activated IoT, making smart homes more initiative and responsive. 2015 Tesla Autopilot. Tesla's autopilot system exemplified IoT in automobiles, introducing semi autonomous driving capabilities through interconnected sensors and softwares. In this way, we can define or we can see the history of IoT, that's Internet of Things. Hence, IoT is a network of interconnected computing devices which are embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. In modern applications, there are a lot of devices using IoT like smart grids and energy saving, smart cities, smart homes, home automation, healthcare, earthquake and detection, radiation detection or hazardous gas detection, smartphone detection, water flow monitoring, traffic monitoring, wearables, smart door lock protection system, robots and drones, healthcare and hospitals, telemedicine applications, security, biochip transponders, mainly used for animals in farms, heart monitoring implants like pacemaker, ECG, etc., agriculture, industry, etc., are few applications involved in IoT. Now, advantages and disadvantages of IoT. Advantages: improved efficiency and automation of tasks, increased convenience and accessibility of information, better monitoring and control of devices and systems, greater ability to gather and analyze data, improved decision making, and cost savings. Disadvantages include security concerns and potential for hacking or data breaches, privacy issues related to the collection and use of personal data, dependence on technology and potential for system failures, limited standardization and interoperability among devices, complexity and increased maintenance requirements, high initial investment cost, limited battery life on some devices, concerns about job displacement due to automation, limited regulation and legal framework for IoT, which can lead to confusion and uncertainty. Mainly, we have four components in IoT. They are device or a sensor, connectivity, data processing, interface. And the main components included in IoT are a low power embedded system and a sensors. A low power embedded system means it's less battery consumption. High performance are the inverse factors that play a significant role during design of electronic system. Sensors, they are a major part in any IoT application. It is a physical device that measures and detects certain physical quantities and converts it into signal which can be provided as an input to processing or control unit for analyzing purposes. So the main components in IoT include low power embedded system and sensors. And there are a lot of sensors used, and they are temperature sensors, image sensors, gyro sensors, obstacle sensors, RF radio frequency sensors, infrared IR sensors, MQ, that's a gas sensor, LDR sensors, ultrasonic distance sensors. Hence, in this module, we have defined what is IoT, what are the characteristics of IoT, what are the applications of IoT, advantages and disadvantages of IoT, and different types of units that are used in IoT, which include low power system, embedded system, and sensors. And we have studied about a lot of sensors used in an IoT system. And now we can stop here, and then we can start again with a new topic included in IoT. Thank you.